Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jeanette. Welcome. If this is your first time here, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do a quick little Gua Sha routine. So I start off with clean skin. The most important thing to do, make sure the area is slippery so the Gua Sha doesn't tug on your skin. Right here I am using Biossance squalene oil. It leaves your skin super moisturized. So after I apply the oil all over my face and neck, I'm going to start by tapping and activating my lymphatic pathways so that when I'm using my Gua Sha, my lymph system can remove the toxins and drain it out properly. I work on my neck first to relieve some of the tension, and then I start working on my face. So I start on the forehead and I work my way down. I scrape up and outwards, and I repeat this on each side about 5 to 10 times. Comment below what you do for your self-care if you can get it done, because sometimes adulting gets in the way, or whatever keeps you sane during the week that you feel like is self-care for you. Then I go over the brows to the temples, and then I move down towards under the eyes and the cheeks. Then I go down to the jowls and then to the neck. I try to do this once or twice a week. If you're not familiar with Gua Sha, it's actually an ancient Chinese medicine practice. Focuses on blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, and those things can help with anti-aging properties, tension relief, and on the plus side, a more contoured and lifted look. I love the results. It keeps my jaws snatched and my face less puffy. Last thing, you want to make sure that you're drinking plenty of water to help your body flush out the toxins. If you guys don't know what the lymphatic system does, I do have a video posted that explains and gives you information on what it does in our body. Go ahead and check it out. Now, when you get under the chin, make sure you're concentrating on the area they call the double chin. The pocket holds a lot of stagnant fluid, so make sure you're massaging that out. Dance break. If you want to follow any of my socials, they are linked in the description below. And if you want to support my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!